Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a brand new MasterCraft XStar S. All right, so checking out the inside of the boat, the XStar S is a pickle fork front, clip speakers all the way around, dual USB port up in the front, and great storage underneath your companion seat. That slides all the way forward and is connected to this storage here, so long storage all the way up through. This boat is going to have LED lights inside. It was ordered with the twin screens, push button start. Really nice setup. Easy to fold tower over the cover or over the tower cover, as well as bimini's top and standard clamping board racks. Love the color on this one, nice and bright, really clean looking. Carpeted deck, but somebody could get that switched out to anything else they wanted also. So really nice boat. We hope you enjoy it. If you got any questions on this or any of the other boats we have in stock, pick up the phone and give us a call.